19 Haircare and Nutritional Secrets, Myths to Avoid and Veggies to Add for Healthier Strands. Did you know your daily habits might secretly harm your hair? From confusing myths to the foods you skip, your hair health could be at risk. Let's debunk popular hair care myths and discover 19 nutrient-packed vegetables to nourish your strands from within. Frequent washing doesn't necessarily ruin hair unless you're using the wrong products. Choose moisturizing shampoos for daily use and avoid stripping natural oils. Wash based on your hair type. Oily hair may need more frequent cleansing, while dry hair needs a gentler schedule. Trimming removes split ends, preventing damage. Hair growth happens at the scalp, controlled by your genetics and health, not the scissors. Regular trims keep hair healthier but won't magically boost its length overnight. Oils like coconut or argan are great but might not suit every hair type. Overuse can cause buildup, leaving hair dull. Balance oils with lightweight hydrating products for best results. Dry shampoo is for emergencies, not a replacement for washing. Product buildup clogs follicles and damages your scalp, leading to weaker hair. Wash your scalp thoroughly to maintain proper growth. Constant tension from tight styles like braids or ponytails breaks hair and weakens roots. Loosen up your styles to save your strands from unnecessary stress. Healthy hair starts with what you eat. Nutrient-dense vegetables are packed with vitamins like A, C, E, and essential minerals that make strands stronger and shine brighter. Let's explore 19 must-have veggies for daily vitality. Rich in iron, folate, and vitamins A and C, spinach promotes healthy sebum production and strengthens strands. Add it to smoothies or salads for a lush hair glow. Loaded with beta-carotene, sweet potatoes convert to vitamin A, which stimulates scalp oils and prevents dryness, perfect roasted or mashed. High in vitamins C and K, broccoli fights oxidative stress that leads to hair aging. Steam or stir-fry it to preserve nutrients. Carrots contain vitamin A, improving scalp health and enhancing the texture of your hair. Snack on raw sticks or add them to soups. Filled with antioxidants and iron, kale boosts oxygen circulation to your scalp. Bake them into crispy chips or toss into salads. Bell peppers are vitamin C powerhouses, strengthening hair strands and improving skin elasticity. Eat them raw for a crunchy kick. Packed with healthy fats and vitamin E, avocados hydrate and repair. Enjoy it spread on toast or blended into a nutrient-packed smoothie. Zinc-rich asparagus regulates oil glands and repairs brittle ends. Roast it and drizzle with olive oil for a hair-friendly side dish. Experiment with other strand-loving vegetables like tomatoes, zucchini, beets, and Brussels sprouts. Each packs essential nutrients into your plate and hair. Hair care myths are damaging both to your strands and your confidence. Pair a thoughtful routine with a vegetable-rich diet for unbeatable hair health. Avoid harmful misinformation and embrace holistic habits that nurture you from scalp to strand. Your hair deserves the truth and your body deserves nutrients. Follow these science-backed tips, ditch damaging myths, and add these veggies to your plate daily. Like, share, and comment if this inspired your next step to hair care perfection. Start now, your healthiest hair awaits. Thanks for watching our video about 19 hair care and nutritional secrets, myths to avoid and veggies to add for healthier strands. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe, to like the video, and share it with loved ones.